Hi everyone, it's Simon from Pearlywinks Craft Supplies, and I'm going to show you how to connect your collections vault in a few different ways inside the Atelier program, because there's quite a few different ways of doing it. So as you'll be able to see, I've already got my collections vault on the left hand side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change that vault to a different location or find files elsewhere. I'm also going to show you how to add collections to your collections vault as well. So up in the top corner, you've got your file menu. If we click on that, you'll see down here we've got vault, and we've also got the Atelier Go folder. So just ignore that folder for now because that's completely different. That works with your shapes vault and some of your presets and things like that. So what we're going to focus on today is the vault button here. So if we go down here to the bottom, we can reconnect our last vault. So if it ever doesn't load on the right hand side, you can just click reconnect last vault and it should reload it there. If not, I'll show you how to re-add that anyway. You can also clear your remembered vault, choose a folder. That's more for your phone, so I wouldn't bother about that. And import vault zip. So if you import vault zip, that will just import one of your collections. It will not import the whole of your vault. And it's more along the lines of if you don't want to unzip all your folders just to save some space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to change your vault. Or this is what you would do when you first start. So we will go to connect or change local vault. So click on that, you'll get a pop-up. So this is where mine's stored at the moment. So I have set up a new one with some other folders. So we go to mine's in Documents, Atelier Go by Pearlywinks, and then Atelier Go Collections Vault. So I would click on that. I've got some different things loaded into there already. And I've got a couple of the tattered lace ones just to show you how they work in the program as well. So I'm not going to click on one of the actual folders inside there. I'm just going to click on there. So it says down at the bottom in the folder, Atelier Go Collections Vault. And I want that displayed there because what that's going to do, that's going to pull all of these into Atelier. So select folder, it'll just do a quick scan and then it'll bring them all into the right hand side. So we can then click on one of these and we can start creating. And with your highlight crafts ones, they will also work in here. Minecraft Studio, Tat Lace, they will all work in here. They will look slightly different because their folders are laid out differently to ours, and Atelier is made to work alongside ours, but you can just click in there. It will bring up the folders that are inside each of the collections, and then you can just start creating as you would normally with any of our packages. So that's how you would connect your vault. If you want to connect just say one specific zip file, go to vault, import vault zip, click on that, and then say you wanted to just import the sassy chickens from today's shows, you would just click on your downloads, your sassy chickens would be there, just double click on your sassy chickens, open, and it'll bring that into there for you. So then you can start crafting away and creating a really quick card just using the sassy chickens download. Really quick, really simple, quick card. Print it, fold it, send it. Love that. So that's how you would import a zip file. If you want to add that to your collection, what you would do is go into your downloads. So I've got two folders open here. Click on the file, extract all, extract that where it is. It'll open a new folder. I don't need that one open. I can then click on that, Control C, or press the copy button, go into your collections vault. So remember, I've stored mine inside Atelier Go in my documents, and then Atelier Go collections vault. Control and V, I'll press this little icon here, which will paste it into your collection. Then if we go back to Atelier, it won't be there straight away. I'm saying it won't be there straight away because I'm obviously I've just imported a zip. But if we go back to our vault, connect or change vault location, you can see it's in there. Just press select folder, or I always click on this here where it says Atelier Go collection vault, just so it displays it down at the bottom there, just to avoid any confusion. Click select folder, it'll do a quick scan, and then it'll pull it into there. And then if I scroll down here, we've got the sassy chickens. If for whatever reason yours isn't showing a cover, I'll just show you a quick tip. We'll just go back into here, double click this. Should be displaying the cover. It may be. Right, so because it's double folded, so there. So we click on that folder and there's another folder inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that, go back to my main, Control V, and what it'll do, it'll get rid of that second folder. So that when I go into my vault again, I'm just going to refresh that. So reconnect the vault, and my sassy chickens covers there. So when it unpacks them into so when it extracts everything, it puts it into another folder. I'm just showing you then, I've undone that now so you can't see that. But because it puts it into a second folder, it doesn't see the cover. So what you need to do is make sure that it's not in, these files are not inside another folder inside the outside folder, if that makes sense. I'll just see if I can show you. Yeah. So this is how it unzips. Sassy chicken, and then the cover is actually inside another folder. So that needs to be your main folder. So to do that, what you would do is click on the folder itself, press copy or Control C, then go back to your main folder and Control V. What that'll do, that'll get rid of that folder that's inside that folder. So you're only left with one. Then when you paste this into Atelier or into your collections vault or wherever you save your files, it will just be, it'll pull the cover through automatically then. As long as that says cover.jpg or cover.png, it will pull those covers through. And as you can see, as soon as I did that and refreshed my vault, it did come straight through. So my sassy chickens covers there as well as a couple of the collections what we're launching next week. Oh, what could they be? Anyway, guys, I hope that's helped. If you've got any questions or anything, do let me know and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.